Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this session we are going to learn how to represent rational numbers on a number line. So before we learn about this number line, rational numbers of a number line, let us recall about natural numbers. So how do we represent natural numbers on a number line? So you all know that natural numbers begin with 1. So draw this line, number line, with an arrow mark at one end, and at this end we will start with 1. So the starting point will be 1, the next point is 2, the next point 3, like this it goes on till infinity, infinite numbers, right? So that's why the arrow mark here. Arrow mark represents that it extends, the number line extends. Now coming to whole numbers. Whole numbers starts with 0. So the starting point will be 0, then comes 1, then comes 2, like this it goes on till infinity. So you have all learnt about this. I am sure you have learnt about integers also, right? So what do you mean by integers? Integers are the numbers which have set of numbers which have negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So how do we represent that? This number line will have arrow mark on both sides because it extends both sides. So in the middle of the number line you have a 0. To the right side of it you have all positive numbers, and which goes on till infinity. And the same way towards the left side of 0 you have negative numbers starting from -1, then -2, then -3, it goes on till infinity. So this is how we represent integers on a number line, right? Now coming to rational numbers. So rational numbers, how do we represent rational numbers on a number line? So can we represent the same way as this? So let us see. Here for rational numbers also you have both sides arrow mark because it extends both sides. The rational number represents negative numbers, 0, positive numbers as well as fractions. So you know how to represent this whole numbers, integers on a number line. But how do we represent if you have a fraction? Say for example half. So how do you represent that? So take this middle point as 0, then comes your 1, and then this side you have -1. So we all know that half is less than 1. So it has to come in between 0 and 1, right? So divide this part into exactly half. So this half comes over here. This point represents half. The same way minus half. Minus half is the midpoint of -1 and 0. So this is -1/2. So basically what are we doing here? We are dividing this part into 2 equal parts. Fine, because the denominator is 2, total number of parts. Denominator represents total number of parts. So we are dividing this division into 2 equal parts and representing the number line. We will see some more examples now. Now let us consider this example. 1/3, then 2/5, and then one more example, 4/3. So let us represent these on a number line. So this is your 0 in the middle, then this is 1, and then this is -1 over here. So 1/3 is less than 1 and it is a positive number. Okay, this is a positive number, so it comes between 0 and 1. So how many parts it has? Denominator represents the total number of parts, as you know. So we have to divide this part into 3 equal parts. So this is one part, this is another part, and this is one more part. So this represents 1/3, this represents 2/3, and this is 3/3. 3/3 is nothing but 1, right? So 1/3 lies over here, this point, at this point. So this is how we represent 1 by 3 on the number line. Now coming to 2 by 5. The same way we have to do. So this is 0 and this is 1. This is minus 1. So 2 by 5 is also, all these are 1 by 3, 2 by 5 are all proper fractions. All proper fractions come in between 0 and 1. They are less than 1. Understood, children? So this division we have to make 5 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your 1 by 5. This is your 2 by 5. Here comes 3 by 5. This is 4 by 5 and this is 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. So where is 2 by 5 now? 2 by 5 is over here, this point, at this point. So this is 2 by 5. So this is how we represent 2 by 5 on the number line. So what are we doing? Basically we are dividing that now division into that many parts according to the denominator. Now what if it is an improper fraction? Say for example 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is an improper fraction, right? So I will teach you two ways of representing this on a number line. First, as usual method, this is 0, this is 1 and this is minus 1. And 4 by 3 doesn't come in between 0 and 1. Why? Because it is more than 1. So again, if you make this into 3 equal parts, this is 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 3. So the next point will be your 4 by 3. So this point is your 4 by 3. One more way of representing. First one more method, we will convert this into an improper fraction. So 4 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 3. Fine. So now this will be easier for you. So this is 1, this is minus 1. Fine. So our 1, after 1 comes 1 by 3. So the next point after 1 you have to go directly to this 1 and then go to the next point 2 and then divide this into 3 equal parts. Okay. This is 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3 and this point is your 3 by 3. So this point after 1 is your 1 by 3 or you can write it as 4 by 3 also. So this is how we represent the rational numbers on number line. The same way with the negative numbers. If you have a negative numbers, it comes to the left side of the 0. So you have understood this much. I hope you have understood this much. Thank you.